be that person. So let's say, for instance, and she gave such great examples. Hello, friends. I thought about all of you today because I listen to a lot of things to elevate myself and to be the woman that I want to become. And that can be either through energy frequencies, like energy music, to uplift my frequency. I pray in the morning. I start my day with prayer. I pray for all of you, for all the women who are struggling with their womb, for all the women that we're helping, for all the women that want their blessings, want to have their baby. I do a lot of that, especially in the mornings. But throughout the day, I listen to a lot of podcasts. And so I was listening to this podcast, and if you guys are interested, let me know, and I can let you know who I'm listening to. And so what she was saying is, not only is she amazing, but she's also Latina, which I love. But she was saying, if you want to become that one person, you have to become it now. Don't create a checklist, because I'm famous for that. I have many checklists. Don't create a checklist to get there and add more things to your plate to achieve what you want to achieve. Instead feel it, which is totally opposite of me. I'm a doer. I get things done. I'm great at it. But I'm not good at just being. I can go with the flow if I tell myself just go with the flow, and be prepared mentally for that. But in the everyday things that I do, I don't normally just be. And so she was saying a lot of that, where just be that person. So let's say, for instance, and she gave such great examples. Let's say, for instance, if you want to be that mom, right? Because we help a lot of women become mothers. If you want to be a mom, yes, do the things that you need to do to become that mom, but also feel like you're a mom. So what would make you feel like you're a mom, right? That means, what would the ideal mother that you see, that you visually see, you need to become? So not partying on the weekends, not getting wasted and drunk, not involving yourself in drama, but what is your ideal mother? I visualize a mom that has it together, a mom that's driven, a mom that's healthy, a mom that's doing things that's healthy, not only mentally but physically. So I bring that to you, for those mothers, for those women who want to become moms and who are struggling. What would make you feel more like a mom? How can you tap into that energy of already being a mom? Yes, the doing is important, which is drinking your tea, taking care of yourself. But what do you visualize for yourself as a mom? And start doing those things. Start changing it now, as opposed to just waiting. When you do become a mom, then all those things will then change, or you have to change to that be that mother. So it's really interesting. I'm more, like I said, I'm more of the doer. I have a bunch of checklists, a bunch of things that I have to get done throughout my day. So this really, I'm really enjoying this. It's a way to take a chill. It's a way to take a step back and really reflect on what you're doing. And are you that woman that you want to become? So ideally for me is being that CEO, right? Because I have my business. So what does that woman look like, and how does she act, and what does she do every day? And so start tapping into that energy. So yeah, let me know if you're interested in knowing what podcast I'm listening to that brought this to light for me. So I'll talk to you later. Let me know if you have any questions. DM me, send me a message. How does this resonate with you? Are you doing anything like this? Please, ladies, if you're practicing this, let me know, what are your tips. I'll talk to you later.